Welcome, 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 people. Here we go again. Beyond the Restaurant Door podcast that you guys keep coming to find out about people who are important online and in person that are bringing delicious food. Let me tell you, I have some people here today. I got some brownies that I brought to work. And let me tell you, these people went crazy. So, I met them a few months ago. I think, what was it? The Culinary Creative event?
Yeah.
Culinary Creative Conference, originally. And she talked me into eating brownies. Now, anybody who knows me knows I don't like no brownies. I'm sorry. But man, I ate this brownie and I was like, I was like, you know, maybe I do like brownies. I don't know.
Well, that's the slogan.
So anyway, this is the slogan. You should keep it. I want to see it on more shirts, hats.